Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade L7, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos, videos, or any kind of other file from the device to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up a File Explorer right here. And once it's open, you'll have this overview of categories. So you want to go into either internal or external storage. Now, depending what you're trying to copy or move and where it was saved, you will open up wherever it is located. I'm actually going to capture a couple photos, so there's something to move. It's 1, 2, 3, let's make it 4. Yeah, so now I have 4 photos that I can actually move as an example for this. So number one, I will have to find them where they are. So I believe they're going to be on the device, so internal storage. And photos and videos that are captured with the device will always be located under DCIM folder. So let's just look over here, camera. It's not the button. Let's go back. Okay, so it looks like they're being automatically saved to the actual card. So let's go into external in this case, and there's also the folder DCIM. It gets created automatically, and there they are. So there's the 4 photos that I have captured. So now we want to select them. Select, you can either hold it, or I guess not hold it in this case. Okay, select more, there we go. So once you tap on that, you can select each individually by just tapping on a box right there to check it. We can tap right here to select or cancel all. And if you want to keep it more organized and you have a lot more photos, you can actually also go back where you have the folder itself and just select the entire folder. So select and like so. So once the folder, items, whatever it is that you want to copy is selected, tap on the 3 dots right here and you have copy or cut. Now it depends on what you want to do. Copy will just create additional copy while keeping the one that is right here. Well, but it will stay on the SD card, and you can add an additional copy of it to wherever that is that you want, or you can cut it and it will be removed from the current location and move to your new desired location. So I'm just gonna choose cut, and then it gives you 2 options. So right now the photos are located on the external storage, so I will move them to the internal, so to the device. And I'm just going to keep it organized, so I'm going to choose DCIM folder and paste it right here. And because there's already a folder called camera, it tells me to either replace it, join, or save both, so it will just create 2 different ones. So I'm just going to just replace it. It's not there is anything in their folder, so I'm not losing anything. Just tap on OK. And now if I tap on it, you can see that there are the 4 photos, and I am indeed in the internal storage now. So that is how you would copy files, move them from one place to another. And this works basically with every file. It doesn't need to be photos, it can be videos and media, any kind of file. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.